In this video, I will show you how to conduct a test of significance in SPSS. Specifically, I will show you how to test whether the sample mean for a certain variable is significantly different than a given value, which is the population mean. What I'm interested in doing here is to determine whether the mean for the post-test variable for this sample is significantly different than the population mean. Let's say that we know from previous administrations of this test that the population mean was 85. So what I want to know is whether this sample mean is statistically different than that value of 85. To do that, all I have to do is to go to the Analyze menu, go to Compare Means, and then choose One Sample t-test. In the window that opens here, we have to select the variable that we're interested in, which in our case is post-test. So we select it, click on the arrow. And in this area, we have to enter the population mean, or the value that we're testing this sample against. So in our case, the population mean was 85. So we type 85 here, and then click OK. The output window includes two tables. The first table includes just descriptive statistics, the sample size, which is 20, the mean for our variable, which is 90, the standard deviation, and the standard error for the post-test variable. The second table is the one that gives the results of the test of significance. We can see on the top here that the test value was 85. This was our population mean. The test statistic T is 2.370. It is a positive value, which means that the mean for our sample, which was 90, is higher than the mean of the population, which we know from prior research that is 85. The degrees of freedom are 19, and the probability, the two-sided probability, is 0.029. So based on this information, because the p-value is lower than alpha of 0.05, which is typically used, we can reject the null hypothesis that states that the sample mean is equal to the population mean of 85, and we can accept our alternative hypothesis, which is that the sample mean is different than the population mean, is significantly different than the population mean. Because our alternative hypothesis was two-sided, then we don't have to transform the significance level in any way. If our alternative hypothesis were one-sided, then we should have divided this significance level by 2 to obtain the p-value.